Here's Griff. It is pouring here at Husky Stadium. Holy crappers. There's Arizona State on the field thinking to themselves, hey, we're not used to this. We're not used to this stuff. Look at this rain. Here's Harry. Man, it is coming down. And the wind's kicking up. Woo! This is a 10-year storm. Yeah, last time it was like this, probably 10 years ago, and no alumni cheerleaders came back the next year. So, all right.
Oh my God!
Yeah, appropriate song because I'm under my umbrella. There's the Huskies. Oh, they got the chrome helmets. The chrome helmets on. Come on, focus, baby. There you go. Dogs are way down there with the chrome helmets. Looking good.